Hey, what's up, man? What's up? Hey Jay, you got a call? Yeah, I got it, bro. Hello, what up?
Hello, hey, what's up?
May I know who's this?
Squad Boys MJ, right?
Yeah, man. What's a pro, babe?
I'm your biggest fans, you know.
Hey, babe, I'm busy right now, and I'm gonna hit back this motherfucker. Lalo rap sa zong uy sa Leka sim za bang babe Yo son Lalo hui lang uy za hun Ye ko man na him Zing lam zalam hello mon ni so hom na venam young blood Ta ta pa Angelo no ho party ya hi boy gel da ma yun The new su say lung like you fuck gonna hit you just annoy My time never up Your time never come Don't try to mess up about it as a really kid All you gotta do is nothing Don't waste my time Gonna beat it out now Don't drop a flop rap to me Fabulous is what I am Looking like a fairy In any fantasy Gladly I flew up the song Just to let you know what I am I'm just some of the greatest Hey kid Tell your mom that you ain't graduated Not educated, huh? Fuck back to nursery classes, you know Beady boys, square boy ain't fit for you This is MZ, fit my homie BC If you ain't down with it Call up 962-645-049
Hey guys, what's up? What's up? What the heck, yeah? Oh, it's just some punks out there messing with us again. Seems like it's the boy from Squad Boys, MJ and Mincy. I think they never learn, they want some more. Yeah, if they want some more, they'll get what they want, motherfucker! Yeah, you make a big mistake, Squad Boys. Your nightmares coming for you. This time I ain't playing with you, but I'll tell you how disease you are, bunch of sucker. Hit the block one more time with my homies real, homies sick of you, sick of this shit. This my land, this my home, this where I do my things. Speak of the best, only that I got the best studio. That's why you come here, boy, know that everybody know that what the fuck you do, what the fuck you with. Now realize what you're planning, think it's a trap. Fuck a trap, yo, niggas who me high, little boy. Fuck you, what the fuck you talk about? Yeah, the fucking hood doesn't know you told me rapper Mincy. Sounding like a mad dog, holding like a zag. Rapper to be damn, see it, loyal to your team. Motherfucker, till they for your rap, that's what they talk about. With the first rap game, to be here, extra glisten. Gotta make it famous, stick with DMs on me, boy. Let me tell you first again, to be guided, yo. Don't you act like you're pulling positive. Gotta make it far good, damn city, for the CCP. What a second wins, gotta make that we bring the sound. This is flow like a nursery, everything can rhyme, go to be the side. Mincy, know you belong. Kisulit ang song, saan rap na bote, low le boldan. Sa tsada umehi banga, timolong ang hoya, kunan na him CCP. Midin na ling zong boy, cool, chillin' oh. Na rap sa zong akap na himapeng, na himamaunin, na esuhang. Rap zong bowling boldan, nang bol hizong na bol di dim set. Hinga ado inui. Hey Jay, why you keep talking about shit? Let it be that know what the truth. The fact is, we already meet at next rap studio. You got nothing to say, boy, you got nothing cause you scared. And I know you would cause me, I'm much better than you. So if you got a problem with that, call up 961-250-6152. Note it down, hasta la vista.
Oh, I'm too rich to talk in riddles.
Never been this since the days I was born. You know what? You'll never get on my level. I can't stop the trigger. They call me Mr. DJ. Any song with the Caesar. For season ain't a DJ. I'm begging with the bullies. So with the whip, it's a dribble like a rubbing on a fucking niggas. Gotta get out of this nigga in with the rippers that they can't run the trigger. Get you back enough with the devil triple. This is all about get up in and a single. Hana hula. Kunze berang ku ingrat ku nusu. Goyang ku abun ki verdo na him. Wita run zong run ngao run nule pa hilo. Wita in muna hane dina to umpam. Nei goddamn pam. Ji jule la da thing le monkey get the low. Air he trouble bright chang bright session it to he lui su. Go offin on a nusu la na pena. A buzzing la na pena. Zata ki dihi. The my for better hum. The bodos on a bola. The paddles on a paw. The hands on a hand. I won't eat your hun. Looking up to the far, all the beat breakers and the trace pullers, put annoying punkers on the town called CCP. I'm counting, see when you are counting. Yeah, I can't stop the trick on. They call me Mr. Mr. DJ and his song with the Caesar. The Caesars and the Caesar. Begging with the photo, this and with the river. This a dribble like a rubbing on a fucking hippers. Gotta get out of beat, just make it rain with the rivers that they can't run a trick again. So that's enough. You can tell the dream. This is all about get a plane and a silver. Para para hila hila akla. Sige at isen ngam na line zoom low. Na maduro asana and for bad to go. Start it hang hila kon pingai luna. KPI ka hangui na ho damn thing you know. If you point MJ, but that's okay. You don't have to miss a KPI can't go. Motherfucking J snap from a can't go town. Not it down with a pen and a pepper. Oh what motherfucker did I did to you fake?
Microphone cho này nhập thằng rim cái khi nhập ta pano le
Na kin na thâu giao lu ba khi nei boy pi na thu thu i lu min la ka thu thu i lu min ti i thu thu i lu min tin na kin na thâu giao lu vin vel ki ku dan ki nei boy pi man na sumu ding zong na hi lo ka than lum si a ka bo za pang za vai ka hi de boy la a go na sei wi la za vai la du da lo a mu a mal ki hello ka mu ka mang ka ne lo na mu na mang na ne kham na thei bon zong ka hi boy il reven tu ni ipi na sei yup il reven tu ni ipi na gelum 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 hey ko mi ve ve kho nang zong na mi si in nei vet vet dan mel hoi ki ti na mu kha lo ha sei zui nang ho lum gel sei zi nang ho lum gel ka za e nang ho lum gel ka he thi me na ho lum gel ka la lo thu bo some sao zo say me come on hello some som zo say me pa hello gospel
Yeah, it's your boy Rhythmic, coming live from Bangalore City. Yeah, L-Town, listen up.
It's family production.
I know you've seen a lot of fake ass rappers over the few years now, but I'm here to tell it, they ain't got nothing on me. Listen, let me show them how it's done. Take it down one by one. Let me start off with the man who introduced the game that's Master K. Compared to me, I know his game won't even last a day. Hope that he'll respond, I wanna hear just what he has to say. No matter what he say, he's still gonna be the last today. So you call yourself the master, you bastard. If rap is the game, I'm faster and it lasts so you gotta pray like a pastor, you asshole. I came to break the little master till it pass off. Eradicate like disaster, then I blast off. Alright, speed it up. GMT. Listen up, motherfucker. Now let me go to the bitch with a dick called GMT. I'ma piss you off with a diss, then blow this bitch like TNT. My flow would go so dope, I learned from the best, that's TRP. Don't try me, you all might see, I'm gonna close your case like a CID. Fuck with the mind so